What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, bienvenidos. My name is Talia Munoz, and today I decided to do a video in celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month. If you guys did not know, I am a Mexican American. I am a proud Latina, 100%, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So I got to thinking what videos I can be doing, and I thought it was going to be pretty fun just to buy some Latina-owned products, try them out, see how it comes out. And let me tell you, I'm very impressed. I'm very happy with every product I used. Like always, I will link everything down below. But if you guys want to see me try these products on, stay tuned. Okay, so going in with the Rare Beauty concealer shade 250W. And then going in with the E.L.F blending brush here. And I'm going to go in with this palette here, Through My Eyes by Iluvsarahii X Colourpop. Colourpop is not a Latina-owned brand, but the collaboration was made with the Latina. So if you guys don't know, I am a huge fan of Iluvsarahii. So that's what I'll be using today, using these colors here. And going in with this makeup brand, well, not makeup brand, with this brush here. It's the brand Araceli. She is a Latina owned, and this brush is Grande Blending Brush. And I'm gonna go in with Nostalgia with this color right here. And we're gonna just blend it where it needs to be blended. It is very soft, this brush. You're able to blend very well with it, actually. You know, if you guys use the Morphe brushes, those are definitely a little bit, they're good, but they're very hard on the eyelid. At the end, it just starts hurting. Okay, so that blended out very nicely. Like I said, this brand is Araceli. She is a Latina-owned brand. And I got actually a lot of stuff from her this order. I got lashes, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And yeah, I think that's it. Then going in with the Sigma X Roxette. I did not know this, but Sigma is actually a Latina-owned brand. I thought that was pretty interesting. So that's what I'll be using with this here. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Muse, which is this here. That's like brownish, goldish color. I'm gonna go for a very soft glam because the foundation and concealer that I'll be using, it's more on the natural side. And then just for the fun of it, I'm gonna put a little bit of brown, and I'm gonna go in with this shade here, Canela. And I'm gonna go in with the Grande blending brush and just blend that together just to make it a little bit softer. Then going in with the eyeliner, this is also from Araceli. It's called Ojos Perfecto Liquid Eyeliner Noche. I like that it doesn't dry when you are doing the liner. I know some liquid liners, while you're trying to make your wing, it's already drying up, so it doesn't really, the combination doesn't really go well. I like that it's not too thick, but not too thin as well. So that is that. Next, we're gonna go in with some lashes. These lashes are also from Araceli. They are actually really beautiful. I love that they're so wispy, that you can wear them every day without them being too, I don't know, too dramatic. And they're not expensive at all. They're like maybe $12 to $14. Maybe the highest will be 16 or 18. I'll just add some mascara here. And there's telescopic mascara. So for primer, I'm gonna use the Mia del Mar primer. This brand I found when I was doing my research on what are Latina-owned brands, and They are based in Miami, so they do a lot of their products for like humidity. So I'm a big fan of that, just for the fact that it's gonna allow the makeup to last longer. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is that it does have, that primer has like some type of scent that I just can't. I would hate to say that it smells very chemically. It doesn't have any silicone. It's silicone free, which that's a plus, especially if you're an oily person like I am. So I'll let that marinate on the skin. Let's go in with the lashes. Alright, so these are the lashes Araceli, well, by Araceli, and their style is Carolyn. You see how wispy they are? I just love the wispiness of them. Not compared to like Batty B. Batty B, they're just a little, sometimes they just might be a little too long, which, if you guys do not know, Batty B is also a Latina owned brand. Okay, now let's go in with some foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. As all of you know, Selena Gomez came out with a new makeup line, and I heard great things about it. I wanted to give it a try. So what better way right now, since this video is focusing on all Latina owned brands, and she is a Latina. I heard this is more like to no coverage to medium coverage, not really a full coverage. I like the application too. I like that it's a kind of like a little, it reminds me of taper shape. Going in with the kabuki brush. So I like it. I do like it. I like that it gives you a little bit of like a little shine right here. So that's not too bad. I know she came out with some highlighting too, but I didn't buy that. I just wanted to try the concealer, the foundation, and the blush. Oh, and the lipsticks. Alright, going in with the concealer. They're the same one I used for the lids to prime the eyelids. Go in with a little applicator here. Okay, so it's coming out really nicely. I'm actually really liking the eye look. So I've been listening to a lot of reggaeton music lately, and I just have every song in my head, and I just want to party. That's what I just want us to do. You know, it actually blends really nicely. It's not bad on how it blends. And I just found out that the foundations, when you're matching them, they're actually matched together. So say if you're like on Sephora.com, if you're on Sephora website and you just want to try the foundation, but you don't want to go into the store and get matched, just go in, type in like what are you originally wearing with different foundations. So it can be a NARS, Naked, which Lancome, someone's one that I tried it, and it matched me up with this shade here, 330N, and the concealer, and then it pops up the 3 concealers that are gonna match well with this foundation. So I picked the 250W, but also from what I read, there's also a concealer under 330N, so it matches it. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if I made any sense. So I'm gonna go in with some setting powder here. I'm gonna go in with the E.L.F. HD. Obviously, you guys know that E.L.F. is not Latina owned brand, but I just bought the stuff that I saw myself reusing a lot more. We're just gonna go in with the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer to bronze the face up just a little bit. This is just watching Shrek, and it just reminds me when we were younger. I'm actually really impressed with the foundation and the concealer. I really like it. It's like not too much. I don't feel very cakey. Not that I've ever feel cakey with my other foundations, but it really matched me up really nicely. So I like it. Alright, going in once again with the Rare Beauty. This color lip, it is Transform. So that is the lip color. It's more of a creamy formula, which I don't mind. Sometimes some matte lipsticks can get just a little cracky for me, and it's kind of annoying. So because I forgot to do a little bit of blush, let's go in with blush. This is the Rare Beauty shade Lucky. And I've heard a little goes a long way. That's so cute. Other applications are like a concealer application. Okay, I hear, like I said, I hear a little goes a long way. So I think I put too much. Going in with the Sigma Duo Fiber Brush. And I'm actually, when I'm applying it, I'm cleaning it off with my hand here. That way I'm shaking off whatever the leftover in a way. I'm just gonna go in with the concealer brush and like trying to blend what I have. Okay, just set it with the Maybelline. You know what? I also got this eyeliner for the waterline from Araceli once again, and I'm gonna see. It is, let's see, Ojos Perfecto Gel Pencil Eyeliner, shade Canela. And I'm gonna shade just the under eyes. Alright, you guys, so what do you think of this final look? I like it. I think I like everything that I used. I wish I would have bought a lot more Latina owned products. Unfortunately, without breaking my bank, I just couldn't. But I just bought what I thought I was gonna most likely use. Like I said, I have enough eyeshadow palettes that I didn't need another one. Maybe next time I'm just gonna buy a mascara. That would be nice. A setting spray. But everything else, I really like. I enjoyed it. I really like the brush. It's very soft. Way compared to Morphe's brushes, it's more softer than they are, and it blended out everything nicely. So I'm very happy with that. The eyeliner, I'm in love with. Lashes, ni se diga. Just saying. Foundation. Everything that I used, I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it with me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bells, that way you never miss a video. Remember, I upload every Sunday now. So I will see you guys next time. Adios. Okay, we'll work with it. Blend it away. Salud! You're welcome. Video? Okay, let's start over.